Remove the display panel with the rocker. Remove the fixing screws on the original display screen. Take out the original display screen, and then remove the power cord and LVDS plug.
Feels like I'm trapped in a world I don't believe. Awake at night with nothing else in mind. No, there's no going back to change our lives tonight. I don't wanna let you know, I just wanna be alone. Leave my heart next to my soul and break down.
Remove the air conditioner panel with tweezers and rocker. Pay attention to the snap inside the air conditioner outlet, and then remove the connecting wire behind the panel.
I care so much, but this time I wish I could let go of my emotions all at once. It's always easier said than done when everything's pulling you down. I dream awake in the dark, lost in the mess around. I can feel my body shaking every time at night. I don't wanna let you know, I just
Remove the fixing screws of the original host, take out the host, and remove the IF plug behind the host.
let you know, I just wanna be alone. I know I will always be a letdown. If you love me, let me go. I'll be better off alone. If you hate me, let me know. I will sit there on my own. My brain won't give me just a moment to feel alive. It feels like I'm drowning. There's nothing you can do. I don't wanna let you know, I just wanna be alone. Leave my heart.
Thread the ISO harness and RCA harness through the center console to the base of the display with threading tools and electrical tape.
Always be a letdown.
Pass the two USB sockets through the gap under the passenger compartment. Connect the ISO plug of the original host to the male of Android ISO harness. Connect the Android ISO cable female to the back of the original host. Insert the plug and press the buckle to make it firmly installed. Connect the original display LVDS cable to the Android LVDS cable on the RCA harness. Install the original host back to its original position, confirm that it is installed in place, and then lock and fix the original host.
There are too many levels, and nobody to tell you what's next. She took her time to handle the ache, just like taking a swan dive in a blue lake. How far we go if we have to fight the unknown? How far we go if we have to
Pry open the side cover of the storage box with the rocker. Thread the plug-ins of 4G antenna and GPS antenna through the storage box to the base of the display screen.
like a tower that is losing its balance. Everything is falling apart. Is it too
Tear
much to
off the double-sided adhesive tape behind the 4G antenna and GPS antenna and paste them on the dashboard. Plug the excess wire into the gap above the storage box and press the exposed harness into the gap with a rocker.
just like taking a swan dive in a blue lake?
Install the base of the Android device on the original display. Open the dust cover and lock the fixing screws.
If we have to fight the unknown, how far we go. If we have to fight the unknown. Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it. Maybe separate is better. I will love you till forever. You know my answer. Don't come back, you know my answer.
Put two metal clips on the base. Connect the plugs of Android ISO harness, 4G antenna, GPS antenna and RCA harness to the backup Android device. Install the Android device on the base and lock the screw behind it to fix the Android device. Connect plug connection for air conditioning panel and replace it. Ignition on, power on the car. Check whether the Android device can be started normally and check whether all functions are normal.